shut my video off here. Okay, let's get the other two. Can you get him without hurting him? Okay, I gotta come here and clean this. Yeah. Alright, come on, buddy. Alright, let's see what happens. Bring him out here. There you go. Let him run around a little bit and then let him use the bathroom. Close the front door for me, Ivy. I'll leave them alone, then we go use the bathroom. Oh, one's already pee-peed there. Pick up that. I'll get it.
Pick up what?
I got it. I don't know what it is.
Hey, how about... Hey,
there's one. Sissy, leave him alone. Leave him alone, Sissy.
He's taking a duty with them.
Yeah, I gotta clean that up. There's one of them. They're yapping for something.
You're gonna clean that duty up?
I think it's the female here that keeps still making a little mistake. No, there she goes. Yeah, of course I gotta clean it up. It's on the sidewalk. Yeah. That means you heard of them whining and yelling. That means they had to use the bathroom. That's good. It's a good thing. Sissy, leave them alone so they can do their business. What are y'all doing? What's he gonna do? Can't see for the glare of the sun here. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes, number 3. Yeah. It's been just over an hour since they ate. The key thing is they started.
Papa, are you going to clean that duty up?
Yelping. Wanting to get out here and exercise and use the bathroom.
Do I need to start exercising, Papa?
Go ahead. Be careful.
Do I need to start to get this cord out of the way, don't you?
Yes, ma'am.
Papa, do I need to start exercising? Papa, do I need to start exercising? Papa, let's start exercising. One step there, Papa. One step there. Papa. One step in it.
Okay. They're puppies. Y'all hear Mommy? Don't you step in it now.
Where is it?
I said don't step in it, Sissy.
Where is it?
Come toward me. There it is. It's behind you. What you little rascals doing? I don't think all of y'all use. Okay, there you go. You're peeing. There you go. You're the one that haven't used it. Okay. And you might be the one that partly used it in the pen. I think it was actually her. I think she's the one that has it. No, I'm sorry, her. I think she's the one that has the holding it problem. But that's okay. She still came in here and used it just now. Didn't you, girl? Didn't you? What you doing, boy? Come over here. What you doing? There she is. What you doing, girl? What you doing? What you doing, girl? What you doing? What you doing, girl? What you doing, buddy? Oh. But overall, they'll at this point they're just over 5 weeks. They'll do a lot of whining and yapping when they have to use the bathroom, which is actually a good thing. They don't want to use the bathroom in their sleeping area. So, which most dogs don't anyway. Oh, no. All right, girls, time to take them back inside.
Oh, man.
Yeah, oh man, I know.
Hey.
Can't see for the glare.
They're under there.
Okay.